Take a breath of fresh air, because Marisha Heartland is breathtaking, graceful, strong, intelligent, inspires our Part 4 Lollywood extravaganza forevermore. Respect, appreciate Deborah and Michelle Maria. Let's take you on a ride. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Our Lollywood extravaganza. Because yes, indeed, all of you because rise and shine. Good morning, Pakistan. I'm so excited to share care. I love the camera because there's a need. I'm so with compassion and action. I do. So we ride with that revolution of accountability, responsibility, because Lollywood, Part 4, respect Marisha Harlett, Maria, Deborah, Aunt Michelle. Cheers out there, Tanya. Bam. Motherfucker. Go today. Who wants to marry the back? Oh, hell yeah. Bam! That's who I be. Thank you, Marisha Harlett. I respect, appreciate you for all your hard work because you have encapsulated my hope. My dreams, Liberty. Hope you have a beautiful day, Pakistan. Thank you, Marisha. Thank you, the best friends I've ever met. Because who's ready to ride with that revolution of accountability and responsibility? Because America, lost and broken, has no value. I'm the AR-15, the truth. I love you. Hope you're ready for the revolution.